Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my March 2021 Boxycharm Luxe unboxing. There's someone squeaking next to me that wants to make an appearance. Why not? He's getting camera shy and won't come up with me. But anyways, this is the quarterly upgrade to the Boxycharm base box. So this ends up costing about $50, I believe. But I am always so excited to get my BOXYluxe box. And I am even more excited right now because I just unboxed my Boxycharm premium box and it was truly premium. It was incredible. Probably my favorite premium box I've ever gotten. So if you have not seen that unboxing, I just posted it, but I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see that unboxing. But so this one here is heavy and I am so curious to see what's in the BOXYluxe box. So let's just get into this. So here we have product information. I love that the theme is lucky. I seriously felt so lucky with all of the products I got in my premium box, but let's hope that I'm as happy with my luxe box. So, okay, we're starting off good. On top is a palette. I love getting palettes, and this is from the brand Barbella eyeshadow palette, or no, maybe it's from the brand B Beauty London. Yeah, okay, I am so excited to be learning about so many new makeup brands this month from Boxycharm. Like, I've never heard of this brand B Beauty London, but I love trying out new makeup brands. And in case you're not aware, I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'll be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get in Boxycharm and Ipsy, which I'm still waiting on my Ipsy Glam Bag and my Glam Bag Plus. So I'm hoping those will be here soon. I'm very surprised that I got both of my Boxycharm boxes before Ipsy this month, but I am not mad about that. I am so excited about these Boxycharm boxes, and let's see what this palette looks like. This is a big palette. Oh my gosh. I love this. And you've got the big mirror, 20 shades in here. And what I like about this on first impression is that it doesn't look too intimidating. Like, these look like very cohesive, neutral, kind of easy to wear shades. So I'm very excited to play around with this. It's definitely mostly shimmers, which I love. I love wearing mostly shimmers. So, oh, I can't wait to try this out. It's always so fun and exciting to me trying out a new brand of eyeshadow and seeing if their formula is good, because I have never heard about this brand, so I don't really know what to expect, but I am very excited. Next, let's pull out, oh my gosh, what is this? Beauty Bakery blending eggs. This is the cutest packaging ever. Are these like little beauty sponges? All right, Dexter decided that he would let me pick them up so that he could make an appearance in the video. I think he was very intrigued by these eggs. I love getting products from the brand Beauty Bakery. I haven't tried out too many, but from what I have tried, I love them and I think they're just such a great brand. And they just always have the cutest packaging. Like, this right here is so adorable. Let's see what they look like. And let's not let Dexter steal whatever's in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, seriously, I feel so lucky with this. 6 little makeup sponges. I am so excited because I use a makeup sponge every day. Like, that's my preferred makeup tool. And I have been running low and now I am stocked up. These feel really nice, like squishy right now. So I'm really excited to try that out, and we'll see once I wet it how it performs, but I think these are gonna be really good. This is so awesome. 6 sponges. Like, normally I feel like I would get like 1. Like, I think I've gotten a beauty blender in Boxycharm before and I was so excited about that. So, oh my gosh, yeah. I forgot to mention the retail values, but so that Bay Beauty London Barbella eyeshadow palette retails for $50. That is expensive if you ask me. And then the Beauty Bakery Blending Egg Beauty Sponges, 6 sponges for only $18. I feel like that is very reasonable compared to a beauty blender, which is 1 for $20. All right, next, ooh, Rose and Quartz hair mask. I love hair masks, and I have been getting a lot of hair masks lately, it feels like, but I use a hair mask every time I wash my hair, and I think it has made such a difference. And so I'm not mad about getting another hair mask. I'm sure I'm going to use it eventually. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. It smells like rose, and this is a lot. Like, this is going to be able to last me for a long time. It's supposed to fix dry, damaged hair and create soft, silky shine. Oh wow, this is such a sweet company. It says, like, in the instructions, it talks about kind of being mindful of your solitude, repeat loving affirmations, find beauty in your day. That's so sweet. So I'm not familiar with this brand, but I love them. So the Rose and Quartz hair mask retails for $31. Next, oh, another brand that I love. This is Glow Recipe. This is the Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Deep hydration and glow. Okay, this is probably going to be a product that I absolutely love because, like I said, I love Glow Recipe, but I also love hyaluronic acid serums. And it's really great for my dry skin. And oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute. Yay. I'm probably going to start using this as soon as I finish my current serum, which is getting low. I'm going through my current serum very quickly, so I'm sure you'll see that in my next monthly empties video. But this Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum retails for $42. I love when I get Glow Recipe in Boxycharm because it's pricey, but then I get it for an amazing deal. Next, something glittery. Oh my gosh, this is from the brand AMNH, which is not a brand that I'm familiar with either. It's the Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. So I love hair masks, like I was saying, but another type of mask that I love is lip masks. And then when they say plumping, I am so about that. I have dry, small lips, so a plumping lip mask sounds perfect. And oh my gosh, it smells like delicious mint, and it is gorgeous gold glitter. Let's see, how do you use this? Apply an even amount of mask to makeup-free lips, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, wash off lip mask with water. Sounds very easy. And I should incorporate this into my skincare routine, or at least my mask routine, which I try and do once a week. But so, let's see, this AMNH Skincare Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask retails for $42. Oh, wow. That is expensive, but I got it for a great deal, so I'm very excited. Next, we have, from Dominique Cosmetics, Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner in the shade Crush. I actually got a lip liner in my premium box, and I was so happy. I love lip liners. I wear them every day, and I think it makes such a difference in how your lips look and your lip products. So I am very excited to get lip liner, especially a nude lip liner like this. So I did end up getting 2 nude lip liners in Boxycharm this month, but I am not mad about that because I wear a nude lip liner just like this color every day. And I like that this one's twist up. And I love the brand Dominique Cosmetics, so I'm always excited to try out a new product from them. And so the Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner retails for $18. Yes, another Fenty Beauty product. I didn't even see what it was. I just got so excited to get Fenty Beauty because Fenty Beauty is a brand that, of course, I always wanted to try out Fenty products, and then I didn't actually try out any until I got them in Boxycharm, And it seems like I've been getting like one or more Fenty products a month in Boxycharm, which I am so happy about. And this might have been the product I chose because this is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation that I got in the shade 150, and I kind of remember choosing a shade, and I am so excited. This is a product that I have been wanting to try out for so long. I've heard so many good things about this foundation. I really hope I chose the right shade for me because they have an amazing shade range. So I'm like, oh my gosh, which one's gonna be right? But oh, the packaging, the frosted glass. It's not super often that we get complexion type products like foundations, concealers in beauty subscription boxes because you have to choose your shade. So whenever I get one, I am so excited, and even more so that this is a foundation that I had been wanting to try for so long. Probably would have purchased on my own eventually, but I'm getting it for an amazing deal. So the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation retails for $36. That's definitely going to be one of the products I try out first because I'm just so excited. And it feels like I got so many products this month. I got 8 products. So the last product here is from the brand Soleil Let Your Hair Shine Mini Heat Brush. What? Now this is different. I don't have anything like this, and I am so excited to try it. What? So I have naturally very curly, poofy, frizzy hair. So I have a feeling this is just gonna make my hair even bigger and poofier, but who knows? I'm so excited to try this. I have never tried out a heated comb, so this is such an exciting thing to get. I am gonna have to look up some tutorials on how to use this brush. Like, it would be so cool if it kind of worked as like an easy straightener or something. I don't even really know what to expect. But holy moly, this little heated hairbrush retails for $150. Yes, yes, yes. I seriously do feel so lucky, just like the theme of the box. I feel so lucky with all of the products I got and so excited. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add up my total retail value. Oh my gosh. I wasn't sure if my retail value of this box was gonna be more than my premium box, which was $293. But yeah, this way surpassed that value. I got so much value in this box for like $50 that I spent on it. So yes, I am so excited. Boxycharm did the best job with their March boxes for me. So let me do a quick recap of all of the products I got. So I got this AMNH Lip Plumping Mask, the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, the Rose Quartz Hair Mask, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, the Dominique Cosmetics Lip Liner, the Beauty Bakery Blending Eggs, the Soleil Mini Heat Brush, and the Barbella Eyeshadow Palette. Wow, I got such an amazing range of products, and there's no product that I'm disappointed in. And I love that I got like new brands to me, but then some absolute favorite makeup brands as well, and for the best deal. So my total retail value is $387. Oh my gosh, I love Boxycharm. The boxes I got this month make me so happy. I can't wait to use the products. So of course, I really want to know in the comments down below what you got in your BOXYluxe box. And if you've gotten any of these products, if you've tried any of these before, I definitely want to know your thoughts on them in the comments down below so that I can get even more excited about them, so I can know what to expect, maybe get some tips. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you in my next video.